Welcome to English House. Let's enjoy the first dialogue between Bea and Lynn.
Waiting room stress. Bea and Lynn are at a clinic. Bea made an appointment for Lynn.
I don't want to be here. I feel fine.
You need to see the doctor, Lynn. You didn't go to the doctor for 3 years.
I know. I don't like doctors.
They walk to the receptionist.
Hello. What is your name?
Her name is Lynn. She has an appointment at 2 o'clock.
Okay. Please sit down and wait.
They sit down. Bea looks at her watch many times.
It is 2:15. Where is the doctor? This clinic is so slow.
Relax, Bea. I'm the patient, not you.
I know, but I have a lot of things to do today.
Read a magazine. Sit down. Be quiet.
Bea stands up and sits down again. She looks at her watch again.
It is 2:30 now. This is terrible.
You need to breathe.
I am breathing.
The receptionist walks to them.
The doctor is ready for you now.
Great.
20 minutes later, Lynn comes back. She is smiling.
What did the doctor say?
The doctor said I am very healthy. No problems.
How is that possible? You eat chips for breakfast.
I know. I'm lucky. But the doctor asked me a question.
What question?
She asked, "Who is the stressed woman in the waiting room?" She thinks you need an appointment too.